Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure the calendar access on your Windows 11. So maybe you want to, or you often make a schedule on your calendar, or maybe there's an event on your calendar and you need a permission. So you can access the permissions by go to the settings. You can click settings and try to search privacy and security. Under application permission, there is a calendar. Click it. So here, anyone using this device can choose if their apps have access to their calendar when this is on. By default, this will on, and the calendar access is connected into mail and the calendar. And also, if you use people, you often use this people app, you can turn this on. So you can turn this off, so the mail and the calendar will not synchronize with your calendar access. It's up to you based on your preferences. So feel free to try to configure a calendar access on your system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.